How does getting married affect your immigration case under the Child Status Protection Act? My name's Erick Widman. I'm an immigration lawyer, and I recently consulted with a person who had some really important questions about what might happen to the family members that he's petitioning for if they got married. He's hoping to have the beneficiaries receive immigrant visas and come to the US and become permanent residents. That's the immigrant visa process. And it is ridiculously complex because of certain limitations the US government has imposed on all visa applicants who fall into specific preference categories in particular. If you're an immediate relative, which is a spouse or a child or a parent of a US citizen, for example, the process is much easier. It's more streamlined. But there's a special complex chart called the Visa Bulletin that's issued every month that changes and shows when people can immigrate to the US. It shows the availability of these visas, the visa numbers, depending on a number of factors, including where the beneficiary is from, their nationality, their age, and marital status. So in this video, the key thing I want to highlight about the Child Status Protection Act is that if someone gets married, they will not be able to benefit from the CSPA benefits that would otherwise allow their child status to be locked in for purposes of immigrating faster. If they get married, they're not going to be able to claim those CSPA benefits because they will not be a child. The US government allows the age to be locked in below 21 under CSPA as long as you don't get married. But, and this is essentially a marriage penalty and goes against what should be good policy that's pro-marriage, but the US government says, sorry, you're not going to be able to be treated as a child for purposes of immigrating faster under, for example, a faster preference category in the Visa Bulletin if you get married. So that is a really important practical consideration for beneficiaries to consider as they figure out timing with their fiance. It's crucial to know the impact of that because it could set your case back by years if you get dropped down to a third preference category, for example, F3, much slower than others. If you have questions about this, definitely reach out. Watch out for the Child Status Protection Act. It is infamously difficult. Good luck. Take care.